Hey everyone, Justin from the Jenni AI team here with another tutorial video. Today we're going to be covering our Edit with AI features on the Jenni workspace to adjust this paragraph that we made in the last video. So all you need to really do is highlight any section of text. In our case, it's going to be this paragraph, and click AI commands right here. And a list of pre-made prompts will be shown below where you can do things like improve the fluency, paraphrase, simplify, and more. But you can also write your own custom prompt in this text box right here. So let's say I want to paraphrase with an argumentative tone. I can click enter, and there you have it. Jenni will create a new suggestion, and I can simply add it to my paper or try again with the click of a button. I like this suggestion, so I'm just going to replace my other paragraph. And there you have it. That's our AI commands feature. Thanks for watching.